Alright, first of all, guys, I'd just like to thank Lid Motor. He does all kinds of things for the little guys, and well, I bought this thing from China not too long ago, and this Wimhurst machine. I've got it to where there is a little spark gap down here. This is just a can filled with water. I made a homemade Leyden jar out of the sticky metal tape, and I've got a coil of wire on the inside of it made out of galvanized rod, and a galvanized rod wrapped around the outside of that thing. That thing's dangerous, guys. If you're going to play with them, be sure you know what you're doing, because the insulator there is duct tape, and it'll sure get you. Anyway, Lid Motor was showing how he made the electrostatic motor. One side of here, actually, those are magnetic beads, but I just put those in there for weight. I've got a real tiny magnet on there. It's a couple of neodymiums, and put it in place. One thing he didn't say in his videos, or that I didn't hear him say, is that you got to have the actual fins on the cup itself really tiny, because they bleed across, and when they bleed across, they're pretty much useless. So anyway, water bottle filled with water. Got the tape on the outside. That's the aluminum tape. Aluminum tape on the outside. It's shaped as the fins. They're not quite touching on one side. They do touch whenever it starts shaking. This goes back. This is actually connected directly to the Wimhurst machine. The two Leyden jars on the Wimhurst machine are connected, which means that it gets the bigger spark. So it's got the more stuff held in it, and again, this is really close to that, so the spark gap that I've got on there is tiny. So get this tiny spark gap going, and got our motor running. And I stop it, and the Leyden jars will make it run for a few moments anyway. And as you can hear, it's still sparking across here a little bit, and then it stops. Give it power. No power. It's really fun, guys. I haven't been able to get any capacitors to charge with it yet. I've got a bunch of capacitors, and they're all over 600 volt capacitors. Haven't been able to get them to charge yet, but I'm working on it. And thanks for watching.